Hello dear friend, this is SD. Today I draw Sweden flag. Let's go, start the video. At first, dear friend, I draw a straight line. Draw another straight line left side. Draw big circle, then draw another circle. Draw two line. Draw curved line. Now draw two line. Draw two line. Now draw letter C. Draw another C letter. Draw also another C letter. Draw two line. Draw another C letter system. Draw another C letter system. Draw two line. Okay. Now draw its eye. Now draw another eye. Draw its mouth. Okay, dear friend. Now draw one straight line. Draw another straight line. Draw a line. Draw another line. Draw another line. Same process. Our drawing is complete. Now I color it. At first I draw yellow color. Now draw its borderline with blue color carefully. Viewers, please like this video and comment this video. You can also share this video with your friend. Dear friend, you must be hype this video. You can also comment your name first letter. I will draw a picture with your name first letter. Don't believe it? Please comment this video. I will draw a cute picture with your name first letter and you must hype this video.